What's going on, everybody, and thank you guys for tuning back into Mike Malone TV. If you're new to the channel, go and hit the like button, the subscribe button, and tune in for all future videos. Alright, so for you guys who've seen my recycling video, I'm back again. I have another cool customer, and they said, hey, take all these cans, they're free. So you know what I'm about to do? I'm about to collect a little paycheck. Quick little rundown. What we got so far. Got about 6 or 7 bags. Most of it's plastic. I had some stuff to do today, so my buddy was already here and he started sorting through things and getting stuff ready. That's the buddy Alex right there. What's up, man? So as you guys can see, he's been doing work back here. So right now we're just pretty much sorting through everything. So when we get to the recycling place, we can just get it all done. It'll be a quick journey because in the last video that you guys saw, it took me an hour and 45 minutes to sort through all that stuff. So, hey, how long have you been sorting this stuff out so far?
2 hours.
2 hours? Yeah, so 2.5 hours. But yeah, me and Alex, we're just getting stuff done right now. About to make a quick little paycheck. So stay tuned. So as you guys can see, we got a whole lot more this time. Last time I think we had a half a trailer. Trailer size is 8 feet by 4 feet. We're almost to the roof, boys and girls. And then we got a couple more bags here. So if you guys watched my video last time, I think it was like $77, and it looks like we have double. So I'm thinking we're gonna have about 112 to 120 bucks. So you guys are gonna have to stay tuned and see how much we get. I will say one thing. I'm so happy that summer is almost over, because man, it's freaking hot out here. It's about 12:30, 1 o'clock right now. It's probably only about 88 to 90 degrees, but man, I'm just freaking over summertime. Bring on fall, baby. Let's go. About to take a quick break, grab some water, make sure you're hydrated. Got to stay cool out here, man. It's not worth it getting sick. So let's do it. Woo! The Aquafina, 2 for 3, baby. Aquafina! Alright, boys and girls, we're on our way, baby. We're going TKO Recycling.
Heck yeah.
About to get this paycheck.
Yeah, man.
I hope. If you had to guess, how much money do you think's in there?
I don't know, man. I want to be surprised. I'm just going to leave it up to chance, man.
I know my last load was, that sounds dirty.
Your last load?
My last load was $77.
Oh, she's
And
cheap.
it looked like you have at least 30% more than I had, so.
30% load.
30% more of a load. Watch out, ladies. So yeah, I'm gonna guess around 115, 120, like I said previously. So we're gonna have to see how it goes.
There you go.
Happy Thursday. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, the total is in. You guys ready? Drum roll, please.
$98.37. You can see it right there.
$98.37. Ooh! 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 I want a Red Lobster tonight, boy. Not really, though. So we're about to go in the office and collect our money, I guess.